So guys, today we have a difficult challenge. We are going to color correct the worst footage that I have. So I have here the footage, and the first thing that we are going to do is that we want to know what the RGB informations for this color, and we want to fix or make it better. So we are going to go to Lumetri Scopes, and if you don't find it, go to Windows and click on Lumetri Scopes. So guys, the Lumetri Scopes are like the physics monitors of the engineering of pictures. They might look really complicated, but when you start working on them, you will know how much simple it is. We have many kinds of Lumetri Scopes, so I'm going to explain to you the easiest one, which is the Berate. So I'm gonna right click right here and uncheck all the other monitors and keep the Berate on. So that is the RGB information for this clip right here. So guys, these numbers represents the shadows, the midtone, and the highlight. So at 0, we have the shadows, and here in the middle we have the midtone, and here we have the highlight. So what I'm going to try to do is to make the shadows right here, and the midtone right here, and the highlights right here. And I don't want the singles to be at the highest, like 255, which is the maximum, because there's no natural color at 255. As the same as for the shadows, I don't want them to be at 0. First, I'm going to unlock this panel right here by right click on it and unlock panel. And I want to put it on the monitor. This is the challenge, guys. I'm not gonna even look at the monitor. I'm just going to fix it by looking at the Lumetri Scope monitor. So now I want to go and get the color correction effect, and we are going to go to video effect, color correction, and use color balance. And I want to drag it and drop it on the clip. And then I want to go to effect control. Now, as you guys can see here, when I move the time marker, the colors change. So I want it to be right here. Guys, this effect, the color balance effect, allows me to adjust the shadows and the highlight and the midtone for each of the RGB colors in the color correction right here that are going to help you, but they are not going to allow you to specifically adjust these settings, the shadows, the midtone, and the highlight. So I want the green color to be the standard for the other colors. So I'm gonna try to balance the red and the blue with the green one, but after I fix it. So the first thing, I'm gonna go to the highlight green balance, and I want to press Control and move. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. I think it looks great, like right here. And I want to go to the midtone of the green balance and go in the minus. I think it looks great like that. And I want to go into the shadow of the green balance, and I'm gonna go in the minus, and I'm going to make it right here. So that is the standard color. So I want all these shapes to be in the same line of the green color, but I want to make the shadows a little bit more. So now let's go for the red. So first of all, I want to do the red highlight and make it up as the same as the green light. So now I think it's the same. And guys, you want to pay attention to these shapes, and you want them to be at the same alignment with the green. like this one and this one. So, and then I'm gonna go to the mid-tone red, and go with the minus. I think it's good. And I'm gonna go to the shadows of the red. As you guys can see, the red has dropped because what that effect does is it stretches the colors because the pixels are mixed together. So I'm gonna go back to the highlight of the red and make it a little bit more. Now it looks great. And I want the shadows of the red to be more down. Now it's great. And now I want to fix the blue color, which is going to be very hard because the person who filmed that video didn't pay attention to the white balance. So the highlight is really high. So the blue color is really high in the video. So I'm going to first get the highlight first the highlight of the blue color, and I want to bring it down to like to 50. I don't want to make it 100. I can't because that will be hard on the video to process and it's not going to look good. So let's go to the mid-tone of the blue and try to make it also 50. And I want to go to the shadows of the blue and try to make it align. Now, as you guys can see, all the shapes are at the same level. I think I need to bring the mid-tone a little bit down. The mid-tone of the blue. Now it's good. Now I want to see how the picture looks after these editing. Okay, let me close that so you can see. So guys, this is without the effect and this is with. As you guys see, it's a huge difference. So guys, I think we won the challenge because it looks much better now. And guys, now like that we have done the color correction for this clip, maybe we can go and put Lumetri key effect on it and adjust all the colors to look more good for the video. And I'm going to be doing another video on how to color grade, which is a different thing from color correction. In this video, I showed you how to color correct your video, but I'm going to make another video on how to color grade your footage. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so when I upload the video, you can watch it.
I hope this video helped you, and I would be grateful if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.